What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So I haven't made a video in quite some time, but today, I'm just gonna record some of my stuff that I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be cleaning up my grandparents' property a little bit with one of our machines. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Show you guys what I'm working with today. So I'm working with a Ditch Witch SK1050. This machine's a beast, but I'm not gonna go in too much about it today. If you guys want to see more about that, then I'll make another video about it. So there's a slight change of plans right now. I'm not gonna really mess with this pile much because there isn't really much I can do with the dirt because all this is still really graded well. But what I'm gonna do is go back here and take the ditch witch back here and, just kind of regrade this, and then I'm gonna take the power rake after it, and then I'm gonna do the same thing over there along the pond. So I'm not gonna mess with this as much right now, but I'm just gonna get it to where we can get our mower back there and start mowing that. But anyway, let's get started.